do me more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause how y'all gonna see me? For today's video, I'll be showing you all my lock wash routine. Very simple, nothing too extravagant. This is my locks. As y'all can see, child, they dirty. It's stuck, like it just needs to be washed. Ouch. But yeah, they need to be washed. I just want to start off by saying I did not shape under my arms, so that's why I got that little blur. But I like to go ahead and wet my hair first, get it very saturated with the water. So now I'm just massaging my scalp real good, letting the water run down my hair. The shampoo of choice is this Neutrogena shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo, so it strips the dirt and oil. And I also like to go in with this Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer. You can mix it in with your shampoo. And now I'm just going to give my scalp a nice old scrub. I'm not doing too hard, just enough to get that buildup up. Y'all, please don't come for me. I did not realize, or I didn't know, that my hair in the back was not sudsing up like how the front was. When I looked at this video, I'm like, bruh, it's not even no suds back there. But it's okay. I know it's cleaner now than it was before. Because, baby, my scalp was dirty. My hair was dirty. This other shampoo that I like to use is the OGX Hydrating Tea Tree Mint Shampoo. I like to use that because it's real good for itchiness, and it has that peppermint in it, so it's real good for dry scalp. And one thing about both of these products, they do lather up real good, but I was really low on both products. I wasn't getting much of a lather like I normally do because the bottles were really low. And then my hair has grew a lot. I have already washed my hair. Now I'm about to show y'all what I use to moisturize it. If my hair wasn't wet already, I would mist it with my little sprayer and it just be water and oils in it. But since my hair is already wet, I will be using this and this. I wish I had some rose water because I'll also be using it. So take it down. And normally I would like to dry my hair with the t-shirt, but the one that I normally use is dirty, so here we are. Like, my hair don't feel heavy, but child, it is long. Get y'all to see like what it looks like. Let's see. Length check. Pull some of it up. And y'all, my hair is kind of like stuck together, but I'm gonna have to like break it. Not break it, but kind of pull it apart. So I can get in like the roots. Get to the roots. Y'all see all this new growth? I'm gonna just speed this part up because it's gonna be repetitive. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, yeah, yeah. Okay, y'all, so that is it. Let's have a little massage it in. But yeah, that's my simple lock wash routine. Also how I moisturize my locks. I'm going on 3 years in August. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.